In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix laggy clips in Medal. In order to fix them, you first need to head over and I have in here this help article from Medal. Here are some solutions. So first, you can reduce the clip quality by changing the recording quality settings from standard to low quality, which is best for lower end PCs and faster upload. So just the higher the settings, the more system resources it gets. You can also change the encoder option right here, as well as the codec and GPU selected. You can also check your system resources and see if a lot of apps are actually getting your resources, and you can actually end some tasks that are using it. So for the game settings, you can lower your game's graphic settings because high demanding games requires a lot of resources, which will actually hinder the recording of your actual medal. You can also disable automatic event detection, so you can disable this right here. Make sure to update the graphic drivers that you have as well and download the latest one. And for the AMD Radeon software, just choose and get the updates. Turn off any recorder like Microsoft's game DVR in order to allow access to Metal's recorder only. You can also turn off Windows game mode in order to get the best experience. So that's how you fix laggy clips in Metal. Hope we help.